This guy stumbled upon one of the rarest fish you can find in the ocean. Actually, this fish is called the blue surgeonfish, and they are one of the most fascinating creatures living in coral reefs. But besides their vibrant and lively blue color, this fish isn't something you'd want on your plate, and here's why. Eating them can be risky since their meat is fully poisonous. However, this fish plays an important role in its natural habitat. Blue surgeonfish are essential to the health of coral reefs. They feed on algae that can grow out of control and harm the coral, helping to maintain the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. Without them, algae could take over and smother the reef, which would affect countless marine species.